Gusto niyang punahin, pero hindi niya kayang itigil at hindi niya kayang pigilan sapagkat wala sa kanya ang kapangyarihan na yon. At panghuli, bago ang synthesis ni Professor Ana, nagsisisi ang Vice President. There is pagsisisi, remorse on her part and being sorry that she was active in campaigning for this president, for this government ni Marcos Jr. among the kingdom of Jesus Christ as she was campaigning for them all over the country. Nagsisisi siya. She was remorseful in that statement sapagkat ang nararanasan ng kingdom of Jesus Christ was never imagined by the Vice President na gagawin ng Pangulong ito at ng kanyang gobyerno na kinampanya ng KOJC at tinulungan ng KOJC dahil tinulungan at kinampanya ni Vice President Sara Duterte among them. And it is known na mahal ni Pastor Kibuloy si Sara Duterte para